In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change thumbnail of video in Dropbox. This process will help you personalize your video content, making it more appealing and informative for viewers. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Dropbox. You might see several results, but it's crucial to identify the official Dropbox site. Look for the link that clearly states Dropbox and includes the domain dropbox.com. This is important because accessing the right website ensures you are using the legitimate service, protecting your account from potential phishing attempts. Once you find it, click on the link and you'll be directed to the Dropbox homepage. Next, click on the correct link that directs you to the Dropbox platform. It's typically the first or second result on your search page. This step is essential because it takes you to the main interface where you can manage your files and videos. You should see a clean user interface with various options such as sign in and download. Clicking the right link sets the stage for the next steps in changing your video thumbnail. Now it's time to log into your Dropbox account. Locate the Sign In button, which usually appears prominently on the upper right corner of the page. Enter your email address and password in the respective fields. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, be prepared to enter that code as well. Logging in is a vital step because it grants you access to your files, ensuring you can make the necessary changes to your video. After logging in, you will be taken to your personal Dropbox dashboard. After that, click on Photos in the left-hand sidebar menu. This section is where all your uploaded media files, including videos, are organized. Navigating to this section is crucial because it helps you locate the video for which you want to change the thumbnail. You will see your uploaded videos and images displayed in a grid or list format. Once you find the video, you can proceed to the next step. Next, open your video file inside Dropbox Replay. You can do this by clicking on the video thumbnail or title. This action will take you to the video playback interface, where you can review your video content. Accessing the video in Dropbox Replay is important because it allows you to scrub through the timeline, giving you the ability to select the perfect frame for your thumbnail. This interface is user-friendly and designed for easy navigation. At this point, play or scrub through the timeline, then pause the video on the exact frame you want to use. This gives you the opportunity to preview different moments in the video. Selecting the right frame is crucial because it serves as the first impression for viewers. A well-chosen thumbnail can significantly increase viewer engagement. Once you find the perfect moment, make sure to pause the video to capture that frame. With the frame selected, click the thumbnail or poster frame icon located in the upper right corner of the video playback interface. This icon usually resembles a small image or a frame. Clicking this icon is an important action because it opens up options specifically for thumbnail selection. You will notice the interface may slightly change, prompting you to finalize your selection. Finally, select Set Frame as Thumbnail to lock it in. This action secures your chosen frame as the official thumbnail for your video. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your thumbnail has been updated. This step ensures that viewers will see the new thumbnail the next time they view your video. And there you have it. You successfully changed the thumbnail of your video in Dropbox.